When people start learning development, databases often feel like the invisible part of the system. You don't see them. You don't interact with them directly. But they power everything. Every login, every post, every transaction. All of it depends on how data is stored, managed, and retrieved. And over the years, just like development itself, databases have evolved. From traditional relational systems, to flexible and NoSQL solutions, to cloud-native, highly scalable platforms. So in the next minutes, let's break down the top 5 databases you should know. Not just what they are, but when and why to use them. Let's start with the foundation. Number 1. MySQL. MySQL is one of the most widely used relational databases in the world. It follows a structured format, meaning your data is stored in tables with rows and columns. Think of it like a spreadsheet, but far more powerful. You define your schema ahead of time. You enforce relationships between data. And you use SQL, structured query language, to interact with it. MySQL is known for its reliability, simplicity, and strong community support. It's commonly used in web applications. If you're building something like a blog, an e-commerce platform, or a content system, MySQL is often a great starting point. But as systems grew more complex, another database gained popularity. Number 2. PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is also a relational database, but more advanced and flexible than MySQL. It supports complex queries, advanced indexing, custom data types, and even JSON support. It's often chosen for applications that require strong data integrity and complex logic. Financial systems, analytics platforms, large-scale applications. If MySQL is simplicity and speed, PostgreSQL is power and flexibility. Now, let's shift away from traditional relational databases, because not all data fits neatly into tables. Number 3. MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database, instead of tables. It uses collections and documents. Data is stored in a flexible, JSON-like format. This means you don't need a fixed schema. You can store different types of data in the same collection, and evolve your structure over time. This makes MongoDB ideal for fast-moving projects, startups, prototypes, applications where requirements change frequently. But there's a trade-off. Less structure can mean less consistency if not handled carefully. Now let's talk about speed. Number 4. Redis. Redis is not a traditional database in the way you might expect. It's an in-memory data store. That means it stores data in RAM instead of on disk. And because of that, it's extremely fast. Redis is often used as a cache. For example, instead of querying your main database every time, you store frequently accessed data in Redis. Think of Redis as a performance booster. It doesn't replace your main database, it supports it. Finally, number 5. Firebase. Firebase is a cloud-based NoSQL database developed for modern applications. It allows you to store and sync data in real time across users. No need to build complex backend logic. It also comes with built-in features like authentication and hosting, which makes it very attractive for solo developers. Now here's the important question: which database should you choose? And the honest answer is, it depends. There is no best database, only the right tool for the job. Understanding when to use a database is more important than just knowing how to use it. So don't just memorize these technologies. Experiment with them, build projects, break things, fix them. Databases are the backbone of every application. And once you understand them, you unlock a whole new level of development. So take your time, stay curious, and keep building. Because mastering databases is a major step toward becoming a complete developer.